Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the arrival of the President of the Republic and Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
Sorry, shall we please be upstanding for the national anthem? Please be seated. The President of the Republic of Ghana, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo II, the Chief of Staff, Ministers of State, Nananom, senior government officials, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, and our friends from the media, good afternoon. On behalf of His Excellency the President, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you all to the Jubilee House for this special occasion. A courtesy call by His Royal Majesty Otumfuo II, Santehene, and his esteemed delegation on His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. We are gathered here today in the spirit of unity, mutual respect, and national solidarity. We deeply value the partnership between traditional authority and the state in the governance and development of our beloved country. To officially welcome His Majesty, it is my privilege to invite the Honorable Chief of Staff and the Office of the President to deliver their welcome remarks. Shall we please welcome them?
Belly, President Mahama, and your Vice President, Professor Jenana Okwajima. Asante Ginira, Otumfuo. Nanma Mahirfua, Muni Otumfuo now. Abanu Penifo, Emily Jimmy Sene, Yama Makwende said, Bima Otumfuo Apava, Emma Abaikisi. And the only said, I want to Umua no my Peniaco Otumfuo, no Otumfuo, no Amana Quanche, no Tiam Nazo say, Julius, those big was a big member who did yet. And where's a big one, and they Muma Baba, Bema Bribia Mekon and Amanaso, at your Madrid, and the Umushira. Now, they know what Swan said. Otumfuo to the name if you have a grand. Now I put your name, President, what is suicidal and no cry. You did your pass and neck. I will know one ever fear. Ever saw when you come out say no. You couldn't give me brave organ man. Now, you did you say, and that's a very our bay, or the Shira. Nkosoro, ikunimdie, and their canco, and what they are brain. And just as Mera, the General President Mahama, and the Vice President, and them, Emma Papa, at the back, Jubilee South, the Mishra.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief of Staff. Thank you. We've got into introduction of senior government officials and government officials here present. So please, when I mention your name, kindly give a wave so that our distinguished guests will know you. Thank you. First on my list, we have Honorable Julius Deborah, the Chief of Staff. Honorable Johnson Asiedu Ketia, National Chairman, NDC. We have Dr. Callistus Mahama, Executive Secretary to HE, the President. We have Honorable Fifi Fiabi Kwete, General Secretary, NDC. We have Honorable Muntaka, Minister of Interior. We have Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, Minister of Chieftaincy, Religious Affairs, and Local Government. We have Honorable Valerie Sawyer, who is the Senior Presidential Advisor on Governance. We have Madame Marita Brew, Legal Counsel to HE, the President. We have Honorable Setekbe, Advisor on the Economy and former Minister of Finance. We have Honorable Dr. Otumfuo Ampofo, Senior Advisor to the Vice President. We have Honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu, Minister for Government Communication. We have Honorable Kenneth Gilbert Ajay, Minister for Works, Housing and Water Resources. We have Honorable Nana Oye Bampo, Deputy Chief of Staff Administration. We have Honorable Shamima Muslim, Deputy Presidential Spokesperson. We have Madam Amma Pratt, Press Secretary and Spokesperson of Her Excellency the Vice President. We have Honorable Joyce Bawa Mutari, Special Aid and Advisor to HE the President. We have Nanaya Jantua, Presidential Staffer. We have Bartholomew Nambazing, Deputy Registrar, GSS. Dr. Benis Brimpong, Presidential Staffer. Reverend Ousu Mafo, Black Star Experience Staffer. We have Mr. Kofi Otre Dakon, Director, Diaspora Affairs. Thank you very much. At this juncture, would invite, we have COP Kofi Kwache. Commander 1, yes, Director of Operations at the Office of the President. Thank you very much, Mr. President. May I kindly invite Bafo Kantan Krachi, Chief Linguist of Otumfuo, to also introduce Otumfuo's delegation, please. Can we get him the microphone?
Ira, Obeni, Ebelichi, Otokoso, one, and I'm going to say, never chill. The guy, now two silver, I'm not a sooner mind. I'm not a one-stop mind. Anak Samba mine. Now from Butter mine. Anak Ebim mine. Anak Totosu mine. Mahina Ditchley by them. Or everybody hanging. Or about a sample. Or about a control. Or about a bit. I'm not you here. I don't know what's up. Now, Mama, here. And now, Mama, here. Otumfuo, you are 12 for it. And now, let's go back. And now, assume, here. And that's good, here. Much about it, now, but I guess in there, Sassamo in there, Nibi in there, naturally in there, enough Massa in there. Now, boss in there. Catch me, now for Zapa, Mahama, vote for it. I pass on it. I bring us in there. And now I'm coming in. Super brother. And I'm coming in. And I'm fast in there. Mami abra, honestly, na mieni bakase bini na. Ana Antoine, anu sukase da hono. Antoine no. Se sa se Otumfuo betu ska ko no. Ono. Ana anu makoye. For Chame, let that shit end. Chame Bobus, Chame Mahama, and I Chame Bus, Jimmy Faso. To go Chame Bus, and I'm all at the bridge. To go on, don't be a man. So, that is your opinion, I was so opinion. Lord, that's it.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Your Majesty. May I also introduce from the government side Professor Francis Dodo, a Special Advisor on Anti-Corruption. Thank you very much, sir. At this juncture, it is my distinct honor to invite His Majesty Otumfuo II to deliver his remarks.
Joe. Joe, so to boss ma di nara ma peni ne se na be tree na me na se the see bira no na me se be no e the free mu asa be kan nsa e da wo fi bi aka wo na Joe, si nyame na ɔhyɛ no sɛ ahoɔden no sɛ de bɛsi bi na wɔtoa so ma paa sɛ de yɛhyɛ ne nsa no wɔtumi atoa so aboa ɔno ara na de nyinara ɔpanyin ɛma ne dwumadi a n'ani so ade ayɛsɛ ne soɔ no ɛtumi awie pɛ yɛ yo ɔpanyin sɛdeɛ yɛwura sɛ no ɔsi na ɔwɔ ne ha no a ɔba ne nsɛm ɔsi ɔna na ɔmo nyinara ma ɔba ɛna sɛ papa afɔ nyinaa rehwɛ sɛdeɛ ɔba yɛ mu si teɛ yo si nyame gye akyire ɛde mpaebɔ nyame adom maganafo nyinaa nso ɔba ma ɔwɔ sɛbi ɛdi na wɔtwe mmienu ɔbaa sɛbi manhyia so bɛhwɛ wade nyinaa Otumfuo John si wantia ntena koraa wotwa dwumadie nyinaa sɛbi to hɔ sɛ woba bɛkyia Asanteman bɛkyia wowura saa deɛ woyɛyɛ no ɛyɛ Otumfuo fɛ ɛyɛ Asanteman yɛ fɛ papapapapa sɛdeɛfi wɔ so ɛni de wɔakyi watoa so a wɔtoto wɔ nneɛma ne ma wɔyɛ nyinaa ne de akyiri a wɔtoto no makamakamakamaka yo ɔse sɛbi nneɛma waka sɛm a sɛ wɔhyehyɛ ne nyinaa ne de akyiri na ɔsɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn ɛmoa wo na deɛ wɔyɛ bia no ɛne yɛ kamakamakama Mama nse de wura ka kyɛw no so olu dada so wa ho blase sitie oni ma wo ye enye nne na sɛ de oni wo to oni wo yi emre ya sɛ de wasama ne bi no so yi be ensesa fasade no ora enyame edu oni wa bi o ye bi aso enye ko so yo sinti na ɔka so wɔ niwa no ɔmu sɛ sɛbi ahomaso no de ɛma ɛma tumi no so ɛbɛwura wo na de dɔwɔ anim no a waka no hwɛ na nyame ɔmmoa wo na nonam sɛ ɔkɔ nyina wɔkyi na de ɛsɛ nso no ɛmmerɛ mu Yo, see, Sabio, by Madia Woody, Nimawaka in Nara, Bunkunta, Sabina, how you know, Sabina Mawaka in Pa, a bell, May Bunkunta, no one ever had a result Bunkunta, but it can't be a way. Then you always say, the Bia, also, and one man, but Yo, see, Sabio, also means you will repent the already. Nema wayɛ no ewie yɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ deɛ onisa anim no wa na so wayɛ no ɛso sɛ Ghanafoɔ gyidie yi nema wɔ no yɛhwɛ wɔ anim sisa bi onisa wɔyɛ nipa wotumi de ne nyinaa ɔsisa bi wotumi de ne nyinaa ɔsisa bi wɔka kyerɛ no sɛ fa kokoduro ne nya wɔden deɛ ɔbɛtumi ayɛ biara yɛma ne nsi na ɔsa pa wayɛ sɛ na ɔka kyerɛ no sɛ yɛnim Ghanafoɔ no wɔ biara wɔna Ghanafoɔ mu wɔna Ghanafoɔ to akoma wɔ sɛ Ghanafoɔ nya wɔn gyidie tɔbama wɔ no wɔn paa sɛ ne mea ɛna wɔanya gyidie eyi wa pamfo a sɛ yɛ mɔ wa sɛ wɔn to ne ma nyinaa pɛpɛɛpɛ no yɔ sɛ bi rɔbani sɛ bi na pamfo wɔyi mu no deɛ yɛrɛ ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmo mo refi mo ho sɛ na Ghana ma ntɔ ama ɔmo panyin Did you own this idea? Said the man no. 2 million upon the video said, from one. Said the catcher one said, "More beer 2 million a day." Munima answered, "Fair moon, the 7 and 12 boy here, the castle Cassa here, and there, the total company. More beer in the hour." Since I've been here, we're free home. For your hand time, must have been 2 million who will be a chance one. And you know what I'm saying, Ghana Mamitia. So by your friend Casa here, or can say, Sabi, the power you won't in Arano. So we piss there, then the person, and I'll be back. It was a sad when you are several Pedicano, several Shabo, who find this should be educated. And what the Credia 1 who said they would do about. Joe, says when you are in the Credia, now the 1 Ghana food in our bones and pack to be with you. A Chesapeake, Muko Edison, and with them, a second by with them. Yo, Chesapeake, wow, Pena, Pau Piera, as a common Piano. Uno do as someone, there be a former fat, the from a penny, and a woman, never fast to be a man. From Jano Home, let me do that show. Also, the fact that of Brazil said you no say also the one when you do the also. I say if you nine, every 2 minutes, enter. I say enter, they will contact. Yo, since every Salamu to Bono. The Bible Sabi na the be away na Sabi the way we are a no let me talk about she said that Akoyesa yo see you found papa on some part but did that shit sa he did here the boom kunta sa ampel but did shit say boom kunta the boom di aba. Yo, I'm beginning to say the Ulekachon, I see the pie there, but the Tawachi, Wakacho, Papa said a number Tawachi, trade up over Tawachi, and we are so I also. Yo, say Ghana food now to a bar, then I say, really, you know. To go in or your one time or or say offer number 23 number pay or so only there was combined. Say Ghana food na do go like say to apa no way you go na home that's a thing you see. Sibasa, Kopra, no said Ghana food na Didi and Yama or Nudia. And one Piera, and from a Piera is what the Tawachi, or the Tawachi, no one was so ever so Ghana mine. Yo, or a show grind, I showed them. Some of the catching there for to sell. Some of the powerful number one penny. Then I say, enemy, Debbie. I'm of a home blast here, the Butano. The Casa Papa or Casa Montino. Unshian, I'm of a one. As I generate if we had no hook, I say, sɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn ɔbɛni wɔn ato no aboa no ma ne di adi ɛkɔ so a ebi a wɔbɛ bio no na sɛ bɛdi ma ɛhɔ ha na ɛnyɛ papa wɔn sɛ wɔn tie na ma fa futuo no ɛde aboa no ɛna Ghana man yɛfɛ Ghana man kane Ghana man di sɛ kan a eyi bi aso ɛkɔ so tufo so hyira wɔn sɛ si na ko bɔ kaa na eyi bi aso ɛkɔ so sɛ ebi tufo sɛ ɛna wɔn nyinaa se.
Thank you very much. We are grateful, Your Majesty, for your wise and thoughtful words. Shall we please give His Majesty a round of applause, please? Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Your Majesty, senior government officials, Nanano, it is my distinct pleasure to invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic and the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces to deliver his statement. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much. I have a prepared speech here, but before I read the speech, I'll make a few comments. I'll beg permission from Nana Otumfuo to reveal a few personal things. Nana Wadarama. I was a little boy growing up in Ringway Estate, Susu, and my father's house was directly opposite Nana Edumene's house. And so Nana Edumene's children, Kojowochu, Kwame Nkrumah, and all of them were friends. And Nana Edumene's nephews that he was bringing up were Atua Boy and Kwamna Boy and all of them. And so they used to come on holidays from school and spend holidays there. And then there was another of Nana's children who used to come and spend holidays. We used to come Kweku. It turned out to be they were slightly older than us. We were younger. And so they used to send us to buy ice cream and all kinds of things for them. And they used to come during vacations. So later when I became a minister and we were installing the next Otumfuo after Opokuwari died, they installed Nana Osei-Tutu II. I said, but this is a new name. Why is it you need? And they said, you fought me, dear Asante, Then Nana told me a story, and then it fitted the jigsaw puzzle together. Apparently, his uncle sent him to Nana Edumene's palace to be groomed as a king. And that's why he used to come to Ringway on holiday, because Nana Edumene was the one who was looking after him. So our relationship goes back to when I was a child. And so, of course, when he became the king of Asante, Mesia became my own. And he's been like an elder brother to me. He's counseled me very frankly on occasions when I was president. We faced issues to do with the IMF. I went to him. It was him who, went to New York when I spoke to the IMF director and all that. And they opened up the extended credit facility to us. So, Your Majesty, I thank you very much for your friendship. There's a very special one. The first time Professor Mills sent Bafuboni of blessed memory and a team to come and tell me that he wanted me to be his running mate. And at that time, I had made my plans to leave politics. So my response was, no, I won't do it. So later he sent Atu Ahoy and Totobi Kwachi and Kwamina to come and ask me to accept to be his running mate. Again, I said no. And so one day I was in Accra, I got a call. It says, Otumfuo wants you in my share. Who am I to refuse? So I got up and went. And when I went, I said, hey, when you say, no, some don't say, but yeah, na be the train, na be the vice president, I will say there be. Hey, oh, what? He says, when your country calls you, you can't refuse. He says, I was sitting in London somewhere, and my kingdom called me to come and be Otumfuo. I don't want to enjoy the free life that I had to do it, so you cannot refuse. So he said, okay, I'm going to South Africa, I'm going to meet President Mills. When I come to Accra, I want your response, because I promised him I'll bring your response. So when Otumfuo came to Accra, when Otumfuo makes a request, who are you to refuse? So when he came to Accra, I went to him, and he said, yes, have you made up your mind? And I said, yes, I've made my mind, but tell Pastor Mills I'll do it for only 1 term. And Nana said, even if you do it for only 1 day, we'll accept it. The rest is history. And so, it was instrumental in me becoming Pastor Mills' running mate. And of course, we went on to win that election, and everything else is history. So, Your Majesty, thank you very much. And I appreciate your friendship. Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo said to the second Nananom, Your Excellencies, Honorable Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, senior government officials, traditional authorities, friends from the media. It is with profound respect and heartfelt admiration that I have the opportunity today to welcome His Royal Majesty Otumfuo said to the presidency. Today is not just a ceremonial visit, it is a powerful reaffirmation of the enduring bond between the institution of traditional authority and the democratic governance of our republic. Your Majesty, your presence here today with your beautiful and large retinue brings to bear the timeless wisdom of the golden stool, the integrity of your reign, and the collective dignity of the Asante Kingdom and the entire chieftaincy institution. We are deeply honored to welcome you here today. Since your installment in April 1999, Your Majesty has distinguished yourself as a national icon of wisdom, of peace, and visionary leadership. You've consistently used your platform not only to uphold cultural heritage, but also to address the most urgent challenges facing our nation in education, in health, in justice, and above all, in peace. Among your greatest national contributions is your successful mediation of the long-standing Dagong chieftaincy crisis. Through your steady hand and moral authority as chair of the Committee of Eminent Chiefs, you led Dagong from years of painful division into an era of reconciliation and renewed leadership. Today, the Kingdom of Dagong stands united and strong thanks to your tireless commitment and your unifying spirit. Once again, at a critical time of our nation's history, you stepped forward to assist our nation in another moment of great need. Your Majesty's ongoing efforts to mediate the Boko conflict, though complex and challenging, offer our country a renewed sense of hope. Through quiet diplomacy and cultural sensitivity and unwavering resolve, you are helping to pave the way towards enduring peace in one of the most fragile areas of our republic. I wish you well in this endeavor, and we all have confidence that lasting peace will come to Boko. Your Majesty, these contributions are not just acts of service, they are acts of nation building. They reflect your deep understanding that Ghana's progress depends on our ability to live together in unity, mutual respect, and justice. As President of the Republic, I want to assure you and all traditional authorities of this government's commitment to work in full partnership with the institution of chieftaincy. We do not see traditional leadership as relics of the past, but as essential partners in shaping our nation's future. It is in this spirit that we have revived the work of the Constitutional Review Implementation Committee. In fulfillment of the recommendations of the 2011 Constitutional Review Commission, this review process presents an historic opportunity to deepen our democratic culture, clarify the respective roles of traditional authority and the states, and enhance governance through greater inclusion and accountability. We believe that the Constitution must reflect the lived realities of our people, rural and urban, traditional and modern, and must be responsive to the evolving needs of our society. The review will explore how to better incorporate the wisdom, authority, and development roles of chiefs into our national governance architecture, without compromising the non-partisan character of our traditional leadership. In this light, we've also started the process for the establishment of the National Governance Advisory Council as part of our national reset agenda. This will provide a format for dialogue between traditional leaders, civil society, and the state. It will ensure that the voices of Nananum and the values of our cultural institutions continue to guide public policy and national development. Your Royal Majesty, I know how you care much about infrastructure development. In my first tenure as President, we worked together on several projects in the road, transport, education, health, trade, and water sectors. We worked together to build the iconic KJTR Market Phase 1. And several satellite markets in the Greater Kumasi area. We expanded and upgraded the Kumasi International Airport. We started construction of several hospitals in Ashanti, including Syria and Afari Military Hospital, which sadly were abandoned. We constructed several community day schools in various parts of Ashanti. We completed the 3K water project, which gave Konongo and Kumawu water, and reconstructed several roads in the Kumasi metropolitan and surrounding districts. Your Majesty, under the Big Push infrastructure program, we are once again about to start investments in major infrastructure projects across the country. And as the second most populous region in Ghana, Ashanti will not be left out. Your Majesty, I'm happy to report to you that we'll soon undertake the feasibility study and design of the new Accra-Kumasi Expressway. We hope to be able to cut the sod early next year for work on this transformational project to commence. Your Majesty, it is our intention to continue and complete the Phase 2 of the KJTR Market project, which has been affected by the debt exchange program. We'll also commence construction of the Kumasi Outer Ring Road project. This is a project that takes a road around Kumasi through Ejisu and appears on the Mampong and Techiman roads. We'll start the first quadrant to take big trucks through Ejisu to come out at Mampong and onto the Techiman road so that they don't go through Kumasi city. Work will soon start on extending the runway of the Prempeh International Airport to allow bigger wide-bodied aircrafts to land and take off. We'll also undertake the Kumasi City Traffic Improvement Program, which will include completion of the Swami Interchange and associated bridges. In the health sector, we will continue and complete the Sewa and Afari military hospitals. We will also continue and complete the Konfanoche Teaching Hospital maternity and children's blocks. These and many more projects in the road sector are planned to upgrade the general infrastructure of the Ashanti region. Your Majesty, your commitment to good governance, justice, and social accountability is well known. You've spoken boldly and wisely in times when our institutions have faltered and when the moral fiber of leadership has been tested. Your courage has not gone unnoticed. It serves as a powerful reminder that the stability of our nation depends not only on elections and laws, but on the character and conscience of those who are entrusted with leadership. We've also taken note of your continued investment in the youth through the Otumfuo Educational Foundation and your many interventions in health, economic empowerment, and cultural preservation. These efforts are not in vain. They are building human capital and renewing faith in our traditional authorities, not as a resistance to modernity, but as a foundation for authentic development. As we work to restore economic stability, create decent jobs through the 24-hour economy initiative, and ensure fairness in the distribution of national resources, we rely on your wise counsel and grassroots of your traditional authority. You, Your Majesty, have shown that traditional leadership is not only compatible with democratic progress, but it is indispensable to it. Let me once again express the deep gratitude of my administration and I, and my Vice President Nana Jane Opemsuo and the people of Ghana for your visit to the office of the President. This is more than a symbolic gesture. This visit signals your commitment to partnership, peace, and progress. May your reign continue to be long and impactful and guided by your divine wisdom. May the Ashanti Kingdom flourish, and may our dear Republic, Ghana, forever benefit from your example, your counsel, and your unwavering patriotism. Otumfuo, Ghana mind awase. Yesu Dramani with awase. Namisra Asantanai, Namisra Yamhanga. Thank you very much.
Please be seated. Thank you very much, Mr. President, for those reassuring words. Shall we please give it up for the President, please? Thank you. We're drawing close, but may I crave your indulgence to acknowledge Her Excellency Nana Jane Opemsuo, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Madam Vice President, it's a great pleasure and an honor to have you back, and we are grateful that you join us today. God bless you. A round of applause, please. To bring the curtain to a close, may I invite Honorable Joyce Baum-Tari, Presidential Advisor and Special Aide to HE the President, to give us the vote of thanks. Shall we welcome her to the club, please?
Your Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency Vice President Nana Jane Opemsuo, Your Royal Majesty Otumfuo II, and all the chiefs and people here, senior government officials, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I think there's actually nothing more to say. I believe that His Excellency the President has expressed his profound gratitude on behalf of his government and people of Ghana to His Royal Majesty. Today has been an amazing day, and we do not want to add anything else or take anything away from all the pieces of advice, a lot of history in one room. On behalf of His Excellency and the Vice President, I thank the Almighty that we all witnessed this amazing afternoon. God bless you, Your Royal Majesty. God bless you, members of government. Please, all of you, travel safely back home, and may God richly bless all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. A round of applause. It's well deserved. But so for Bekada Assembly here, it's no Umasamari. Thank you, Madam Joyce. At this juncture, may we kindly be upstanding for the national anthem, after which we'll have some photo sessions, please. Thank you very much. So the first picture will be His Excellency, the President and Vice President and His Royal Majesty. Nadano, please kindly join. Maybe the front row. Okay. Senior government officials, please get ready. Yes. Thank you. Senior government officials, please. So after the senior government officials, we'll now invite all the chiefs to join, please.
Right. You're good. Wait. Let's get to KT. All right. Let's go. I good, right. All right.
Thank you very much. Last one is the one with the Nanano.
Charlie? Then Nanano make KT. Remember number 1, number 2. To make the
Please go to the back. Let's arrange ourselves well. Please come back. Please get ready. Please get ready. Can we ask the chiefs to be seated, please?